As a parenting coach, I'm often asked this question: what is that one handy tip that you would give to people? Namaskar, I am Prakriti Prasad and I'm on a mission to help nurture happy, grounded, and emotionally strong children on this planet. So if I were to give a very useful tip to people, which I usually do in my sessions or to my mentee parents, something which I consciously practice myself is to watch my own communication with the child. We need to check, am I constantly reprimanding in my communication, pulling up my child, telling him or her, don't do this, don't do that. Have you heard of the story of the small boy called Peter? When someone asked Peter, what is your surname? He said, Peter don't. So check, am I always comparing my child? Look at your friend or your sister or brother or your cousin. How can they be so organized, do their things on time, they do their work on time, and their work is so neat? You know, the intention may be good to goad our children into action, but believe me, the reverse happens. Check, am I constantly discouraging or condescending in my communication? You can't do this. I know you can never do things right. So this is something which most parents need to really watch out for. The worst thing that a parent could tell their child is, you can never do this. Then fourth, is my behavior overindulgent? Am I discounting my child's misbehavior and misdeeds all the time? Oh, she's a small child, she will learn. Or, don't worry, I'll take care of this. Or is my communication with my child sometimes very indifferent? Like, I'm too exhausted or I'm too busy for all this. Check. Is my communication encouraging, empowering, or reassuring? Am I someone who's constantly telling my child, come on, try it out, do it. I know you can do it. And even if you can't, what is the harm in trying? At least you will know what doesn't work. Or am I reassuring? Let's see how things are improving. You're also improving. Particularly in this pandemic situation, we are constantly telling, let's see, things are getting better and better. Now here's the important thing. We can't always be encouraging or empowering and reassuring all the time. But what we can do is catch ourselves every time that we are being over-reprimanding, condescending, or comparing. And don't sweat. Just stop there, change your gears, and make amends. This is what I call dynamic parenting. Something which I teach my audiences in my workshops, my mentee parents, in my one-on-one consultations. If you're interested, connect with me on my social media handles or write to me on my Gmail ID, parentingwithprakriti@gmail.com. By the way, have you picked up my book on parenting of teenagers? It's called Parenteen: How to Nurture Your Adolescents in Modern Times. So that's all for now. Take very good care of yourselves and your children. Thanks for watching.